Welcome to a world where big ideas meet amazing technology. Today we're diving into incredible feats of engineering that go beyond what you'd expect. Have you ever seen the world's largest pizza? Imagine giant iPhones, enormous bikes, and massive machines that push the limits of creativity. Join us as we uncover the stories behind these enormous creations. The world's largest pizza. The project required significant resources, including hundreds of people, 10,000 pounds of dough, 5,000 pounds of sauce, and 9,000 pounds of cheese. Despite encountering challenges such as delays and initial size miscalculations, the team persevered with the support of Pizza Hut and unique tools created by fans, such as a giant pizza cutter and toppers. It took a team of Pizza Hut workers and their friends 48 hours to put this giant pizza together. To cook it, they used special hovering equipment. Once done, they cut it into 68,000 slices. Instead of selling them, they donated all the slices to charities in Los Angeles. Ultimately, they successfully completed the 132-foot pizza, achieving a new Guinness World Record.
Brittany, thank you so much.
Fans celebrated the accomplishment with a pizza party.
Pizza party! Yeah!
Demonstrating the community's involvement and support throughout the endeavor. A giant motorbike. Fabio Reggiani, an Italian engineer and motorcycle lover, built the world's biggest bike, called the XXL Chopper. He wanted to break the Guinness World Record for the largest rideable motorcycle. Fabio and his team of 6 experts spent 7 months designing and building the bike. They used strong steel for the frame and made special parts, like huge wheels and handlebars, to fit the massive size. The bike is over 10 meters long, nearly 5 meters high, and weighs about 5.5 tons. It has a powerful 5.7-liter V8 engine. After careful testing to make sure it was safe, the XXL Chopper was shown to the public in 2012 at a motorcycle show in Italy, where it was officially recognized as the largest rideable motorcycle by Guinness World Records. The Bagger 293. Bagger 293 is the tallest terrestrial vehicle ever built, standing around 96 meters tall and 225 meters long, equivalent to a 30-story structure and 2 football fields, respectively. It is a bucket wheel excavator that uses a huge wheel with buckets to scoop up dirt and minerals and transfer them to a conveyor system for transportation. Bagger 293 weighs around 14,200 metric tons and is powered by electric motors. It is generally used in open-pit mining operations, particularly for lignite extraction in Germany. Its massive size and capacity make it essential for efficiently extracting big amounts of material from vast mining sites. This massive machine symbolizes human creativity in engineering, pushing the limits of what is possible in heavy industry and demonstrating technological developments in mining technology. The biggest commercial burger. Maui's Sports Grill and Bar in Detroit holds the title of being the creator of the world's largest hamburger, which is available for purchase in commercial settings. As a result of its enormous size, this enormous masterpiece demands a 3-day advance purchase, has a price tag of $799, and requires the use of a forklift. To achieve this, they constructed a specialized oven from a container to accommodate the massive patties filled with 2,000 pounds of meat. During the cooking process, the weight of the burger dropped by a considerable amount. Furthermore, they used 300 pounds of cheese, onions, tomatoes, pickles, and lettuce, along with 250 pounds of bread to complete this culinary masterpiece. In an effort to achieve their goal of surpassing their own record and securing their position in the annals of culinary history, Maui's Sports Grill and Bar continues to innovate. Seawise Giant. The Seawise Giant, originally an ultra-large crew carrier built in 1974, became famous after undergoing a massive expansion in 1988 to 1989. The Seawise Giant, initially delivered in 1979 at 458 meters long, underwent a jumboization process that resulted in the addition of 121.5-meter section amidships. This transformation extended its length to an astonishing 458.45 meters, making it the longest ship ever built. With a staggering deadweight tonnage of 564,763 tons, it could carry over 4.5 million barrels of oil. Despite surviving damage during the Iran-Iraq War in 1988, the Seawise Giant continued operations under various names and owners until its final scrapping in 2010 due to high operational costs. The Seawise Giant remains a legendary vessel, forever etched in history as the largest ship to have ever sailed the seas, captivating the world with its sheer size and remarkable journey through 3 decades of service. World's longest bicycle. The world's longest bicycle made an astonishing appearance at the 2015 Tour Down Under in Adelaide, Australia. It was a staggering 41.42 meters long. Because of its intricate design and numerous wheels for stability, this massive bike required a team of riders. It represented more than simply transportation. It was a vehicle for expression and joy. The size and agility of the creature astounded onlookers. It's also about coming together as a team and enjoying ourselves. Everyone was curious about the potential of cycling after the longest bike race. Largest iPhone. Did you hear about how Matthew Beam built the world's largest iPhone? It's fascinating. He started by scaling up the dimensions of a regular iPhone, ensuring everything was proportionate. Then he used materials like metal and plastic to create the massive frame. The screen was a major highlight. He got a huge display panel custom-made to fit the enormous size. What's really impressive is that he didn't just make it big for show. He included functional components like oversized buttons and ports, making sure it worked just like a real iPhone. The whole process required a lot of detailed planning and technical expertise. He documented everything on social media, so you could see each step from design and material sourcing to assembly and testing. It's no wonder this project caught so much attention. Danyang Kunshan Grand Bridge. Have you heard of the Grand Bridge between Danyang and Kunshan? This isn't an ordinary bridge. It's a huge engineering achievement that goes across China for 164.8 kilometers. The Beijing-Shanghai high-speed railway has a huge stretch of steel and concrete that goes over rivers, lakes, and busy towns. This is all to support the trains, which travel very quickly. 10,000 people worked hard for 4 years to build this huge thing. They put effort and skill into every inch of it. It cost a huge $8.5 billion. It's more than just a bridge though, it shows how committed China is to finding new ways to do things. It is an amazing feat that connects towns faster than ever before. It demonstrates the potential of collaboration and determination among individuals. Monster truck. Bigfoot 5 is the largest monster vehicle ever, with a height of 15 feet, 6 inches. The Firestone tires are huge, standing at a height of 10 feet and weighing a staggering 2,400 pounds each. In 1986, Bob Chandler constructed this gigantic vehicle, which took 5 months to construct. The vehicle boasts a supercharged V8 engine, measuring 640 cubic inches, producing an audible roar. The suspension of Bigfoot 5 is exceptionally robust, enabling it to navigate difficult conditions. Additionally, the controls are placed at an elevated height, providing a panoramic view. The Bigfoot 5 is more than just an attractive vehicle. It demonstrates exceptional engineering capabilities and challenges the boundaries of what vehicles can do. The Great China Wall. Imagine being on top of the Great Wall of China. It is a huge work of human engineering that goes through many hills and valleys. Built over thousands of years, this building masterwork spans more than 13,000 kilometers. It is a tribute to the strength and vision of old cultures. The clever construction of the ancient stones will astound you. Its original purpose was to keep attackers away, but now it stands for China's lasting power and proud history. Every brick and tower surrounding these buildings tells a story of kings, kingdoms, and the brave soldiers who guarded them. It still stands tall today as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a reminder of the strength and determination of the human spirit. Thank you all for joining us on this incredible journey into the world of monumental innovation and colossal creations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring stories and incredible feats of engineering. Until next time, keep dreaming big and pushing the boundaries of what's possible.